Hello, everyone. I hope you all are doing fantastic. So, I was thinking along the lines of where are the future oil markets and where the opportunities are going to be generated, whether you are a marketer, a salesperson, a technology entrepreneur, or an entrepreneur in general, or just a job seeker associated with this industry somehow, one way or the other. So, what are the markets that are emerging markets and where the opportunities are going to be coming from? So, I conducted some research. I always suggest to do your own research, and you must always do your own research. This is just a sort of an awareness video. So, this is pertaining to Africa and Southeast Asia. And there are opportunities in the offshore, in oil and gas, in both the West Africa and Southeast Asia. And you will see that a lot of demand will generate for heavy lift vessels, cargo equipment and services, then the facilities, the transport, and all these things, such as the modular research, low sulfur blending, storage terminals, base oil refining. So this is for West Africa, modular refinery and LSFO blending for West Africa. Then storage terminals or warehousing and the processing and refining, base oil refining, for example, in Southeast Asia. So more and more requirements will be coming. So whether you are selling or whether you are renting or just providing expertise or knowledge or any product or service or education or training, or you have this marketing company, these are the countries where you need to keep an eye on. And for logistics, any emerging market is actually good. Okay. So if we talk about low investment, marketing, of course, is low investment. If you are a software engineer or a tech entrepreneur, it will be rather less investment in comparison to the processing or the refinery or warehousing. Okay, so first is if you are a marketer, it's a lower barrier to entry. Then if you're a tech entrepreneur, then third, logistics. Logistics can be big or small. Then the refining and processing and warehousing. Okay, so for example, if you are a technology entrepreneur, you can work in the business to business and business to consumer. You can make an app, you can make a platform, or you can provide technology services, whether it is software or robotics or IoT or anything. Okay, so there are ample amount of opportunities that gonna be coming in, and I think if you look around, they already exist. It will not be as big as the consumer or retail side, but the contract to value, it will be big to actually generate enough revenue. It will not be enough as much volume as you see in the retail sphere, but it will be more or less same. So if you are a technology entrepreneur, you can make apps, provide services, and do all these things. If you are a marketer, you can provide training. If you belong to one of these areas or live nearby or have an experience in these fields, you will be in demand because more investment, more capital will be flowing into the infrastructure and processing and logistics and all that. Okay, so whether someone is in North America or Southeast Asia, no matter where the investment is coming from, in some shape, way, or form, they will be requiring your products and your services. So the complete ecosystem, any profession, any field that is under that, somehow they will prosper. Okay, so you can align yourself with these emerging markets. Okay, so I just wanted to create a little bit of awareness on this, and please give me your comments, and I will also be covering the e-vehicle, electronic vehicles, and other things that is a part of this new upcoming reality which is already transforming. So AI is there, okay, and it is transforming the job market, the movement of capital, how people consume, how people use the capital and finance, whether for the consumer or for the business, okay. And of course, one more thing is that you also need to assess what sort of governance they have and how to navigate it and how to do it properly and all. So I hope you will like this video, which is just a quick overview. And yeah, best of luck, and please ask me questions. Thank you for watching.